Hi cellos, it's Miss St. Ors here once again. This is a video about the Brandenburg Concerto, and we're going to be picking it from measure 49 to 68. And possibly I'll be breaking this video into segments just to help support you being able to practice and do those things. You will need a pencil because we're going to mark up our part with the correct fingerings. So get a pencil, and you should always have one on your stand ready to go during class. You're always, just right there, Johnny on the spot when somebody says a new fingering or different bowing. So at measure 49, we need to be in second position. So put a number 1 above the note C sharp, the first note, and a number 2 above the next note D, and then a number 4 above the E. And we stay up there this whole measure. We're gonna go 1, 2, 4, 2, 1. And then for the next measure, we need to shift to 1. Now, one way you can always mark the shift is to draw a squiggly line. The other way you can mark a shift is put a dash before the finger that needs to be in a new position. So you could technically, in measure 50, to write it correctly, write -1. And that would be telling your first finger to move from C sharp down to B. Okay, hold on to those pencils still. We're going to look at 51 now. It's going to go start in first position and -1 up to the C sharp. This is the second note of the 8th note grouping. So measure 51, it'll go open, 3, 1, 1, 2, 4. Okay? And then after that, you can stay there for 2 notes, -1 to B. So let me show you measure 51. Open, 3, 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 1, shift, 1, open, extension. Okay, so hopefully you've marked that. And now we have another spot we need you to mark. Measure 54, similarly to what we've done before, where you see the C sharp, put your first finger down, and you'll go up to the E, and then shift down to E. So measure 54 goes A, B, shift, shift. Okay, so this whole area, we're really moving between first and second position. Okay, that's truly what we're doing. Let's go ahead and play measures 49 through 54, or 55, I'm sorry, to start. And then I'll probably pause this and do another video for the next section. So measure 49, we start in second position, first finger. And here we go. 1 and 2 and 49, go. 1, 2, 4. Lift and set. I apologize, I forgot to tell you to place the bow lift at the end of measure 50. Do that if you can. And let's do this area one more time. 49. Setting the bow, set the finger. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Bow lift. All right, keep practicing this, 8th graders. Next video will show you a little bit more of this page. All right, cellos, you are on kind of the third segment of this lovely Brandenburg video, working this area on the second page. So we are going to be working 56 to 68 or 69. And here you're seeing that there's some more shifting occurring. But before we do the shift in 56, we actually have to do something between measure 54 or 55 and 56. The next note in 56 after I played that is an up bow. I really need more bow than what I probably have. So I'm going to draw a lift, but it's a different direction lift, okay? So sometimes I'll put this in parentheses. The lift goes in parentheses because what I'm doing is I'm picking my bow up and I'm actually setting it towards the tip. Whoa, I got to straighten that out. So again, we're going from this set at the tip and then go. Ooh, yeah. So that's a little bit on the tricky side. Then as you move forward, you've got this shift, and then you shift back, shift, and then sharp. So we have to shift from in measure 56 to 4th position, and it's written so it's 3, 4, 1, 3, and then 1, 3, shifting to 3rd position, stay. Will you join me at measure 56 and play this with me? Set your bow on an up bow near the tip, but not totally there. And we'll take our time. I'll give you 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, play. 3, 4, shift, 1, 2, 3, 4, tie. 1, 3, 1, slow that bow. 3, 4, tie. 1, 2, 3, 4, tie. Do that again. Sorry for my tone. I was too close to the bridge. So I got that sound. I have to make sure I'm a little bit further away. Here we go. Same spot. Setting near the tip, not totally at the tip. Measure 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, tie. 3 miles an hour with that bow. 3 miles an hour, keep it slow. Extension. Keep going. G natural. Okay, now we're going to play from measures 49 all the way to where we ended, which I guess was 69. By the way, measure 68, make sure you play a C sharp. That has to be an extension on the G string, so careful. Setting our first finger on the C sharp, we're at measure 49. We don't want to go too slow because those tied whole notes can feel like forever. So we're going to kind of take it at a little bit of a nice steady tempo. 49 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and ready, go. Lift, set. Extension, 2, 3, 4. 1, lift, set, go. Slow bow, 3, 4, Honestly, you need to practice this on your own to really feel like you have figured it out. And again, the tempo we're taking right now is quite slow to what we will actually go. So make sure you're feeling pretty clean and clear on all those shifts. Great work, 8th grade cellists. See you the next time. I feel like, where's the camera? There it is. I always look at myself when I'm doing this because, why? Just kidding. All right, you guys, bye.